Good night all people bro Papua New Guinea. Okay, if you want black current citizen of Papua New Guinea now where you hold him Facebook or you hold him TikTok or you hold him Instagram or you hold him YouTube or you hold him Wayful or any kind of social media, if you say access him, this la video I'm come to you, share him, we said man you la save him na repost to and save him, na I must go reach him, yaw bro, Honorable Prime Minister James Marape. Okay, this la tok and mila tok lo. Prime Minister James Marape kirap nam talk. La create him 1 million job opportunities. Okay, Prime Minister James Marape. Miet ni talawax mi togim you straight. Olman moglo only millions la totok bliye. Olman moglo to by create him 1 million job opportunity lo. One time by you create him this la 1 million job opportunity. Olman moglo ask him you hamas plata minchelo parliament or newspaper lo one have to him lo togim you. But now we mila togim you. You got one block waste law by you creating 1 million job opportunities and stuff. All you have to do is you talk to one Meta and you get TikTok and Facebook monetized in Papua New Guinea. Suppose you want a man, you are you 1 bill one time mystery, you share this video now I must go reach him, yeah, bro, Prime Minister straight. Because you try to think him out of 8 million or 9 million plus people you missed Papua New Guinea, how much la man using TikTok? How much la man using Facebook? How much la man using Instagram? How much la man using YouTube? How much la man using social media platform and you using stuff in Papua New Guinea? How much la man using? You just try to think him flat time. It's more than million hating him. So you suppose once you verify him or you monetize him display TikTok or Facebook or even one kind all narablaw application social media platform suppose you to talk one more line now you monetize him instead of Papua New Guinea. You try to think how much la man by any money law through law social media. You just try to think him try. It's more than 1 million. So you can talk into the parliament or some talk me monetize him social media law Papua New Guinea now man making money. That's true because all man making can TikTok page all got, Facebook page all got, account or handing all got, but the thing is that they are not earning money. So said one man you 1 bill one this la toto me you share this la video any kind page you camera for la video now you got all followers now you man bro base lo TikTok or Facebook or WhatsApp or one social media platform you need to share this la make it your business to share it and make it go viral so that them can reach him always the Prime Minister. Number lo me put him antabe and WhatsApp number lo me. Who said you want assistant or you want la one Prime Minister, you suppose you film us and me talk through right. You get WhatsApp me, number me lusanta WhatsApp number me stuff. And also so Prime Minister, the only way to create 1 million job opportunities in Papua New Guinea is to monetize the social media. That's the only way and only key. You try to think him, all man all can start lo bus, all can start lo wara, all can start lo mountain, all can start lo hub, now all can make him la social media platform, now all can any money. You try to think him how much la man but money. You have to make it your business. This is 2025. 2026 is next year. 2027 election. But we are living in 21st century. Prime Minister, make it your business to monetize social media in Papua New Guinea because that's the only way to create 1 million job opportunities that you are talking about. I'm told, like him, Jubla. Good night, Jubla straight. Jubla, unbelievable me. Share him. I'm going to reach him at the Prime Minister. Now, by me can. Harem Salah respond. Me wait, look him respond about me making video again. Good night, you blasted. Bye. Make your business to share it if you got page.